In front of me is Motorola Razr 30, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password added to Google Passwords autofill. Firstly, just open Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Passwords Manager. Finally, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Lastly, tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!